you have watched all the videos carefully, and today is the last video for this chapter, circulatory system. One topic, pulse rate. Okay, pulse rate or heart rate are the same thing. Now what is heart rate? Whenever you go to a doctor and you see you are suffering from some cold or fever, what he do? He have a stethoscope and he put in his ear and he put the other part on your chest and he observes your heartbeat. Heartbeat or heart rate is the pressure with which your heart is pumping blood out to your body. Is it clear? If you put your hands here, now put your hands like this, two fingers and one. Put your two fingers here and then feel the tuck tuck voice like this. Do you feel it? Yes, this is your pulse rate. Pulse rate and heart rate are same. What is pulse rate or heart rate? The heart, you have learned that the heart, it contracts when it pours out blood and when it expands when the blood goes into the heart. Clear? Now when it contracts, then the rate, it contracts again and again, and this sound or this process gives a sound or like this tuck tuck that you feel here, that is the process of heart giving out blood, pumping out blood to your body. And pulse rate is different for all the organisms. Don't think that a big organism, big animal will have high pulse rate and small will have less pulse rate. It is just opposite. Elephant, it has 25 per minute, 25 pulses, 25 beats per minute. Rat, it has 250 beats per minute. Sparrow, 800 per minute. Horse, 40 per minute. And we have 60. Adults above 16 years, they have above 60 to 100 beats per minute, and those who are below 16 years, they have 70 to 100 per minute. Now why it is so that elephant, it is a huge animal and it is having 25 beats per minute, and sparrow, it is a small animal and it is having 800 per minute. It doesn't mean that sparrow needs more blood or elephant needs less blood. That is why less blood is being pumped out. See, if you want to draw a circle, you start from here and it takes only few seconds to reach here. If you draw a small circle, it takes few seconds. And if you want to draw a big circle, you start from here and it takes more time to reach to the starting point. Clear? That is why elephant, it has a huge body, and when the blood is pumped out, it takes more time to reach all the organs, reach all the parts of the body, and that is why it needs more blood. That is why the heart pumps at a very slow rate, because it has to pump out more blood and it beats at a very slow rate. So that is why elephant is having 25 beats per minute. And one thing more you must have observed, when you are running, you are playing or you are doing some exercise, your heartbeat rate or your pulse rate, it increases. Why it happens? Because your body needs more oxygen. Heartbeat means the blood is being supplied. Blood is being supplied means the oxygen is also being supplied to the body. And when oxygen is being supplied to the body, when you are running, you need more oxygen. होता है ना, जब आप दौड़ के आते हो सांस चढ़ जाता है, बहुत तेजी से सांस लेने लग जाते हैं. ये ऑब्जर्व, देखना इसको करके. जब आप एकदम से दौड़ के आते हो तो सांस बहुत तेजी से चलती है और यहाँ पे हाथ रखना, आपको लगेगा कि your heartbeat is increasing. Why it is happening so? Because your body needs more oxygen, and that is why your heartbeat becomes fast, so that it can give you the more supply of blood, because more supply of blood means more supply of oxygen. Clear? So this was your chapter, circulatory system, and in the next video I will start with a new chapter.